So, syempre, ang bagong balita sa Pilipinas ay si Sara Duterte po ay na-impeach. Tapos may kaguluhan po nangyari doon kay Bato. And so, we really don't know what's going on in the Philippines right now. So, better, ang gawin na lang po natin is to have your own income, have your own business, magtrabaho na lang tayo, kumita, and let's not give a fuck sa Republika ng Pilipinas. No! You know, everyone is trying to survive para sa bayan, para sa andang ito, para sa Pilipinas. And syempre, lalo na sa mga taong OFW, we're really trying our best to survive here, to support our family, to support the, diba? Tapos, yun pa nga nangyayari sa Pilipinas. And those people who are like actually convicted, supposed to be convicted because of what they have done and what they are doing still. And yet they can't be convicted. But it's so obvious those people who has genuine intention when it comes to the welfare of the whole country, and yet they're the one, you know. But really? Diba? Can you imagine all the issues in the Philippines right now? Yung corruption. And evidence are there, witnesses are there. They even showed up. Tapos, yung drug addiction, they showed up. And still, may nangyayari, nothing. And here comes, syempre, we see these people who are so genuine, na yung kapakanan lang ng mga tao ang kanilang iniisip. And yun ang pinagkakaisahan nila because of what? Because of salapate, you know. Anyway, yun lang. So, what the heck? So what are our advice sa mga tao, ng mga normal na tao is like us, especially sa mga OFW, sa mga normal na tao sa Pilipinas. Para sa akin, I mean, give up on the hope, like there's no hope. Just magtrabaho na lang kayo, kumita ng pera, pakainin ng pamilya, and just live your life. That's it. Don't give a damn SHIT sa Pilipinas because what else? Diba? Kasi syempre, people are actually voting yes for the impeachment. You know why? Syempre, sampalin ka ng milyon. Of course. Everyone is not thinking of others' sake, right? So, ganun na rin ang gawin natin. Let's do the same thing. Anyway, yun lang po yung masasabi namin. And it's actually not my account. I'm just using the account of my friend here. Wala. Bagsak. X ang Pinas. Diba? Yun na lang po yung masasabi namin. Sasabi ko lang pala. She's not with me. Yun lang. If ever you wanted to talk about this thing, meron po kayong suggestion or meron kayong question, or let's have some discussion. You can put your comment. And if you think, you know, like we will have a good conversation, you can do subscribe. Okay? Here's my friend. Here's my friend. She's going back to the Philippines na F up na country. Alam mo yon? Diba? Ang bansa natin, my God. Ay, nagpaalam na pala ako. No? Sorry, sige na, magpaalam na ako. Bye-bye guys. Ihahatid muna namin ang kaibigan namin na uuwi sa bansang Pilipinas na ang perlas ng silanganan. Ano ba yung sinasabi? Like, yung peras ng silanganan. Bayang Magiliw. Lupang hinirang. Bayang Magiliw. Perlas ng silanganan. Bayang Magiliw. Perlas ng silanganan. Alab ng puso. Sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang.
You should do like this.
Yeah, I should do like this?
Yeah.
Is it with my right or left hand? With my right hand?
Right.
Okay, let's gonna.
Your left.
Okay. Let's sing the national anthem. Perhaps it would ignite something nationalism sa mga tao. Okay, come on. bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lubang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may nilaghang